Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to talk about conditional formatting in Excel. So here we'll go in home and here there is an option for conditional formatting. So conditional formatting helps us in highlighting our data. So for example, say this order priority. Okay, this is my Excel sheet and it has this column say order priority, and I want to highlight those rows which have order priority high. So what I'll do is I'll first select that particular column and then I'll go in conditional formatting and then I'll write highlight cells, and then you can choose either greater than, less than, all this if there are numerical values involved. Otherwise I'll use equal over here in this case and I will write over here high, and you can change this in whatever color you want to, but right now I'll keep it light red filled with dark red text. So I'll select on OK. So as you can see, uh, all the all the rows which have all the cells which have high as order priority are highlighted as red color. Now you can also do over here shipping cost. Okay, again here I will do conditional formatting and I will highlight those which those cells which are greater than say 10, and I'll use a different color, say yellow or green, say yellow, and this is how it is. So this is how conditional formatting works. You can use it to highlight your data, so this helps in reports and in easy understanding of your data set. So this is how conditional formatting works. I hope this quick video on conditional formatting helped you, and I have an entire playlist of Excel, so do check it out. And I also have other videos on SQL, Python and Tableau. Do check it out, and yes, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.